Today's introduction will be for my French viewers, so bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne tout le monde. Aujourd'hui est une autre journée amusante. Nous sommes passés devant ces voitures qui attiraient l'attention. De toute façon, sans plus tarder, passons à la vidéo. Let's go! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Namira Taneem here. So we are at a store and we saw a bunch of these vintage and old cars and we decided to stop by and see how it was. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at these cars and let me know which car was your all-time favorite down below in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Anyways, let's go into the video. We have all these cars over here.
Oh, there's a bike too. See that one right there?
That car, that looks like Mr. Bean's car. It looks so tiny in real life.
Oh, the interior is nice. That's a very nice.
It's so cool.
Look out there, see that? Yeah, one. I know.
It's really cool. One thing I was really interested about was this Mr. Bean looking car. Mr. Bean has like a teal version. This is green and I'm interested about this more. It's so low and it's so small. That's wood and like it's leather. It's so tiny. There's no back door. You have to move the seat up. I learned that from Mr. Bean. Roll down windows. Well, this is like really pretty. It's so tiny though. I have to bend down to look at it. There are all these cars and they look so cool. Oh, this one looks cool. I'll take pictures of these cars. Move. That is tiny, but it's so cool. How do you like these cars, Dan?
Amazing.
They look so cool. Wow, this one's awesome. It looks really modern from the inside and it's like really cool. This one has a red interior. It looks so cool. By the way guys, as you see, I'm wearing a Namira t-shirt. Wow, that is an old engine. Wow. This was like a farmer's truck. It looks so pretty from the inside. There's like that little hat and that dog. All of that. It's really cool. Whoa. This is like, whoa, this is cool. This one's blue. Oh, this is the inside. Blue steering wheel, blue seats. It's like there's no. It's like a three-seater. It looks like a three-seater.
Sit in it. I'll take your picture.
Really? He said I can sit in this car. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna sit in this car. It's gonna be so cool. Oh, it's so cute.
82 years old.
It's so tiny. Dance in there.
This is very nice.
How does it feel like?
It feels amazing.
It's beautiful, huh?
It's so sad.
It is. It's all blue.
I'm sad they don't build cars like this anymore.
Yeah, they don't.
It's one of a kind.
It's 1938.
1938.
Yeah.
Wow. It's crazy how much they've developed. Now look at this. This one's red in the inside. Look at these dogs. They're so cute. Camera. Oh my goodness, they're so adorable.
Son has two pointers.
Yeah, it's messy, but this one's just so cute. What about this guy? Let's just pretend they said hi.
And look here, come on. Come on. Come on.
There's, ooh, that's fancy.
There's an open window. Hello.
There's an open window. Oh, dang. They're so adorable, though.
Okay. I like Irene when they put in the years.
These are so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It looks like it's from America. So wide and so long. This Jeep is awesome. I would love to ride this. I would love to ride these cars. These ones are like twins. They're so cute though. It's teal. This one is like a blue. They're like twins. It's so cool. Let's look at the insides. This one looks so awesome. It's like the seat, it looks like there's a lot of space to sit in. This one's all blue on the inside. That one's all teal on the inside. Like, it's so cool though. Yeah, I love this. These are like antiques over here. This one's like, I love how this is like fire and purple. Two awesome combinations. The inside, there, that's wood. This is like other. It's so cool. There's like a little lizard up there. But like, look at this. But yeah, all of that. So let's look at this one. Twins. Oh my goodness, this one's prettier. I like it. I like how they did the leather. It's so, oh, it has the dice up there. Wow, this is prettier. I like it. I like teal better than, like, that blue is cool too, but I like teal better. I prefer teal more. It's so awesome though. They're like so down low. This one, oh my goodness, this one.
Oh, this one, like.
This one though, dang, this looks cool.
Rusty.
It's so rusty and it's so
It's
tiny.
a race car. It's a whole.
Wait, let's look at this one. So this one has that, the engine like is.
Look at that exhaust. Full exhaust.
It looks like there's so, it's 4-seater, but it looks like there's so less space in this. It's all purple inside, purple and black. I feel like that, but it's like really low.
Those guys are putting out like 90. Oh, I've seen guys and they put the tiny little diesels in them and stuff.
The inside, my reflection. I'm trying to show the inside as much as I can, but it's reflecting. The engines though. These are awesome. This is really cool. This one's like not that camera, not that old. The rest of these are like not that old.
Yeah, see how the gears are? They're literally gears. The gears are literally gears.
Oh my goodness.
It's a hobby car.
This was like, I wonder what this year this was made of. What year this year? No, that's just one life hack. They put like a Pepsi bottle there for something. That looks like drink, but like it's disgusting. Don't drink it. These are worth a lot because these are antique cars, and they're some are from the 1938, like the guy said for the blue car, 1938. They're very old, but they're also very precious and very loved them for like a long time, I'm pretty sure. So it's really like beautiful, and like look how they're all so colorful. They're all so bright, just not that bright. They're just like plain black, white, gray. That's all colors. But like how these cars were like so bright. They're so bright, they're so vibrant, they look so cool. They have fun patterns on the inside. But yeah, I feel like these are more fancy, and these are very like special and antique cars. Looks like he has a mustache. The car. The eyes, the mustache, and the mouth. Then the ears. Yeah. See how the door handle is like that? You have to open it like this and then like pull it towards you. The light's just open because it's like pretty dark, so that's why.
If someone opens it, the owner's door will go.
Okay, let's go from this side. My brother knows more about the cars than I do. He's like more advanced.
Just yours? Yep.
Oh, this is cool.
Very nice Camaro.
So on some of these cars, it says what year. It says what year they were made in. So this one's, the name is George and Allen.
Who owns it?
Car,
Car
1928 Ford Sedan. I never saw this, dude, when I was recording this part. Look at that. That's like a mini car in there. It's like a pointy
See the
thing.
type of window it has? It's metal. It's metal right there. These are metal windows. These are way safer than cars these days.
Yep.
So, I was recording and then no that many people noticed this, but the first walk by, what do you guys notice? Carbon fiber. As you can see closer, this is carbon fiber, which is hard to get and it's expensive, obviously. And it's bulletproof. No, it's not. It's not bulletproof. This is inside. The carbon fiber is going all throughout the roof. Wow. Look at this beautiful Shelby GT50. This is definitely a one of a kind to get. Wow.
Well guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I am Namira Taneem from Canada, and guys, let me know down in the comment section which car was your all-time favorite. I absolutely love the Mr. Bean car. It was so cute and so tiny. The dogs were also amazing. Guys, let's move on to the shout-outs. Today's shout-out goes to Tatiana, AMANDER GOLPO from UK, Rahad Aiush, all in one with recipes, and Woke Nation 1. Thank you so much for commenting down below. If you guys want your comments to be featured on my screen, make sure you guys comment down below and like this video as well. Also, merci beaucoup Belle et Woke pour vos commentaires. Je précise vraiment votre soutien. Veuillez regarder mes autres vidéos aussi. And that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, s'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder mes vidéos et à commenter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and that's all for me today, guys. I love you all and see you all next time. Bye, guys.